Hi, welcome to Deystudio Art. Most of you know that nature definitely inspires my art. But it's not just animals in nature. It's animals in general. Most of you know I've had a turtle I raised from a hatchling named Jaxx, who's inspired a lot of my illustrations. Now that Jaxx has gotten larger and the tank is appearing to have gotten smaller, I even came up with an elaborate plan for an indoor pond. Well, that wasn't a great idea, but I did find a better idea, and that was Garden State Tortoise and their facility and what they do for turtles and reptiles that need a place to live out the rest of their life is wonderful. And there's a link for their YouTube channel in the description of this video. I've also included a few short video clips from their most recent video, and it features my turtle Jaxx. The reason that I want to do this video is one of the things I want to do in the coming year or so is to develop a children's book with a main character of an adorable Blandings turtle. It's my hope that this book will help in choosing the right turtle and how to take care of it for long term, so that you don't have to try to find a place for the turtle when it gets larger, and also make mistakes in taking care of and raising your turtle. So watch for that. If you want to be on a list, or follow my blog to find out when that book is ready, you can follow my blog on lorrainedey.com, or just subscribe and keep watching videos and you'll see it. Until next time, have a great day and thanks for watching.